everyone, let's talk about another interesting project, SolanaId, which is really early phase right now. And what you simply can do, you can go to their webpage and mint your pass NFT. How you can do it, you can simply go there and click on get started. You can connect your wallet, any Solana wallet using Phantom, and yes, here we go. SolanaId is really early project. I want everybody to know, and what you have to do, simply click on mint priority pass. It will prompt you with some information and the fees. It's 6 USD. Simply go and do it, and yeah, here as soon as you are done with that, it will show you what rank you have on the leaderboard. For me it's 1182 in the beginning, but as soon as we do these tasks in the below, so get verification, we will get boost and we will get up in the rank. So I did my email verification. It will give us 0.2x early boost, and yeah, simply put into the one-time password and it's done. Now the Discord verification, for that you need a Chrome extension ZK Pass Transgate. There will be a link in the task itself. You can download it for free and it works really smooth. So it will, let's click on the verify button. It will take us to the Discord page, to your profile, and it will suggest us to do some instructions, and it says click on your profile and then the start button will be activated. So simply do that and click on start. You'll see a cool animation starting the verification process, and it looks really dope. So next step would be, when it's done, it will take us back to the platform, and you see immediately bumping up the list, our profile. Similarly doing it for Twitter now, and some steps to perform again with ZK Transgate Chrome extension. So as soon as you go here, it gets activated. Give a follow to SolanaId. It will really help them. Let's start. Again, the same process, and once it's done, it will take us back to the platform, and you will see that we are bumping up on the list because we are getting modifiers or boosters actually. And then do that for Swissmog and Richin as well. I did it, and I will show you my current rank as well. As you can see, it's 19 after confirming Swissmog and Fitchin. So go and do that. As you can see, rewards are there for me, the boost. So now what you can do, you can refer your friends and you will earn 0.01 SOL for each friend that gets referred by you. So why is it important? Because they have a very clean project and business model. Thank you guys. I hope you liked the walkthrough. Subscribe for more.